In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a gradient background to a Wix button. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit. Once you are in the dashboard, click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Inside the editor, find the button you want to customize and click on it. This will open the button's floating toolbar with its design options. From that toolbar, click Design. Then, in the Button Design panel, select Customize Design to open the full styling controls for that button. At the top of the design settings, make sure the regular tab is selected. This tab controls how the button looks by default. Next, click Background Fills. This is where you can manage the color or style used behind the button text. To create a gradient, click Add a Layer. Wix will add a new fill layer to the button background. Click on that new fill layer to open the fill picker. In the fill picker, choose the Gradient tab. You will now see the options for building a gradient background. Select the gradient type you want to use. For example, you can choose linear for a smooth transition between colors in one direction. After that, adjust the gradient colors to match your design. You can also change the direction of the gradient and move the color stops to control how the colors blend across the button. If you create a gradient you may want to use again later, click Save Gradient. This stores the style so you can quickly apply it in the future. If you want the button to show a different gradient when someone places their cursor over it, switch to the Hover tab and repeat the same process there. This gives your button a more interactive and polished effect. After setting the gradient, you can continue refining the button by adjusting other design settings. You may want to update the text style, borders, corners, shadows, layout, or icon settings so everything matches the look of your site. When you are done, click Preview to test the button and make sure the regular and hover states look the way you want. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.